Hello, my name is Joy. I'm a physiotherapist from Chiropractic and Physiotherapy Health Center. Today, we're going to talk about noisy joints. So, what causes your noisy joints? First of all, noisy joint is what we call crepitus in our physiotherapy medical world. Crepitus just means that physiological sound that you get from the joint. So, we have two distinct types of noisy joints, painful one and the non-painful one. So we'll start with the non-painful one. The non-painful one is mostly caused by gases moving within the joints. So this normally happens where there are some gases that are around the joint. The joint is like a fluid-filled area. That's what I'm talking about, the joint capsule. So there are gases within there that now when they gather together and then they are released out of the joint, that's when you get that popping sound. And then it is normally experienced by most people. You will tend to feel like maybe you're going up and down the stairs or you're moving, you moved a bit too fast, you hear a oof, but it's not painful. And that's the first kind of noisy joints. The next kind of noisy joints we see are the painful ones. So the painful one is the one that now has an underlying cause, and it's just a symptom of something else going on. So one of the biggest things we tend to see that causes noisy joints is osteoarthritis. Now, osteoarthritis is a big word, you probably heard a lot. Osteoarthritis just means wear and tear of the joint surfaces that line the joint. So this means the cartilages that line the joint start wearing off and becoming spiky, and so when they glide along each other, they tend to make a noise. And that noise is normally what you tend to hear while you're moving. Now, the other thing is, when that happens, this is normally accompanied by pain, because it's not very pleasant to your body for that rubbing to happen. The friction is too much, and therefore we tend to see a lot of pain with people who have arthritis. Second thing we also tend to see is what we'd call a meniscus tear. Another big word. Meniscus is a tissue that is found within the knee. This tissue normally helps cushion. It's basically like a cushion. It helps cushion the movement of the joints of the knee, the femur and the tibia. Other big words. The femur and the tibia in moving. So what does this mean? When that meniscus is torn a little bit, you tend to feel like when you're moving, and most of the time it's a bit painful and it's not very pleasant feeling. So someone may freeze when they feel it, or like they may give it a minute and stretch their joint out and go on walking. So that one is also another cause of concern. The other one we also tend to see is what we call patellofemoral pain. This is just anterior pain around the kneecap. So this is normally attributed to a poor movement of the kneecap on top of the knee. So you tend to feel it when you're doing such movements. These movements are like going up and down the stairs or standing from a sitting position. So anything that requires stretching and bending of the knee would cause this kind of pain. And most of the time it's felt around the front part of the knee, and sometimes it could come up here, and it is something quite common, a bit more common because it comes and goes depending on the cause. Most of the time the cause shows that the muscles in the front of the thigh are not happy. These are the quadriceps, or there's other muscles on the knee that are not happy with the knees, with how the knee muscles are balanced. And so we tend to see a lot of different causes. The other cause of knee sounds or any other sound on any other joint is what we call muscle tension. So this just means your muscle is quite tight and it is quite strung up. So just think of it like a guitar string. And so when the guitar string is going across the joint, when the muscles are moving, when you move your hand or you move your knee, when that glide is happening, it tends to glide along the bones. And that is now where the guitar string comes, because when it does that, you feel like a pop. When it does that again, you feel something. So you may do it once you feel it, and then when you try and do it again, it doesn't come back, probably because of a bit of stretch. So muscle tension is the other cause of kind of pain across the joints while having that sound. The best cause of treatment most of the time is strengthening. Strengthening works very well for osteoarthritis because this gives the muscles the capability to support the joint and reduce some of the impact that the joint is facing. The other reason, the other thing that strengthening would address, it would also address the kneecap pain. As I said, it could be caused by weakness of the quadriceps or any other muscles of the thigh that would now cause an imbalance. So strengthening of muscles, strengthening is achieved by exercise, by anything, any activity, aerobics, walking, any simple activity that is out of your normal physical activities. That is what we call exercise. And these are things you can incorporate as you're going on with your life. You can keep doing walks every hour. You can try and do a bit of a jog, go up and down the stairs in your building. Simple things. And that would hopefully be able to address the pain. So the pain and the sound. So if there is no pain with the joint sound, you could also try and go to see a physiotherapist to see if there's any other reason why you're having pain in the joint, why you're having the sound in the joint. So do not also be shy to check on that if it is a concern for you and if it gets quite bad. Yes.